Okay guys, just a quick update with Bitcoin. I'm going to give you some points to long and short, but the long short of it is Bitcoin is going down. So if you watched the previous video, I gave you 3 points to short. I said we were at very strong resistance. This is the 300-week moving average around 18,300. If we get above that, I gave you 2 more points to short, the highest point I thought we'd go. The title of the video was FOMC pump and dump, expecting to get a pump and then a dump. That is what happened. Please go to this video now if you want to check it out. I did make a post in Discord. By the way, guys, you can get access to Discord and these live charts. Website's opticalcrypto.com. Link pinned first comment description. If you want to sign up for Bitget, my link's also pinned first comment description as well. So I made a post in Discord. I gave you these targets. The highest upside target was 19,680. Below that was 18,700. And then I said the next point to short above, right above 300-week moving average, was 18,373. I had referenced Tom Crown's doing a live stream, and he loaded up some of my charts during his stream. He was in a short and he had a stop loss set at a certain point. But I was going to show you he adjusted the stop loss. He did pretty well. So I'm going to play a clip of this real quick.
Because I'm literally about to get stopped this moment. This very moment. Wow. This was an ill-advised short. We've been winning all these longs, and then I go short and crapped. Oh well. Life goes on, right? 18-3, and I am out of this position. Steve had some charts he wanted to show. Let me see. I got to pull them up. It's a day. It's a day, guys. Keep hyping the chat, please. I appreciate you. Let me know what you guys want to look at. I'm going to read the chat in a minute. I got to find this chart. I promised Steve I'd look at it. Let's see. Steve has some targets for us. His targets being, we have 18.3, looks like G1. 18.8. And then 1960. 1960? Let's pull one of these bad boys up. Let's see what it says. Ooh, nice colorful charts. I will say Steve has the most colorful charts. 18.3, that is pretty much where I'm looking. That's where my stop is. Do I want to adjust this maybe? Maybe I'll do like 18.3.
So his stop loss was 18,333, and he adjusted it to,
yeah, let's lose a little more
18,393
money today. Gonna get wrecked.
And later on during the stream, when price started dropping, so I'll play a clip of this. This is 1 hour and 1 minute in.
Did I get stopped? I did not get stopped, sucker. Sucker.
And price started dropping. That played out well. Again, I did think price would push higher, but it did give you 3 targets to pay attention to. So I'm going to give you macro support levels to pay attention to. This is the G1 chart. Right now you can see we're holding support. This was our previous high right here. We're holding right now. So your resistance is going to be right here at, let me make this red. Red means short, guys. So your current resistance right now to watch is right here at 17,466. Your next resistance just above, by the way, guys, so 17,800. That I made a post in Discord about that as well last night. I was saying, look, your resistance is 17,813, and you can see we drop from this point. So if you do push above 17,419, your next resistance to watch is around 17,700. Your next support level below is right down here at around 17,082. There's a lot of your support 17,082. There's a lot of support around 17,000. Multiple charts are showing this. Your next support level just below that is around 16,500. So if those look like your current resistance 17,400, resistance above that 17,700. Your strongest support levels to potentially put in a long scalp long 17,000 down to around 16,500. This is the M1 chart. I can see your current resistance. Again, these charts are charted different ways, but the targets are in confluence. 17,700, very strong resistance. Your next support level just below, you can see right here, 16,994, so roughly 17,000. Again, green means long, red means short. Your next strong support level below, you can see that is in confluence with the other chart, around 16,400, 16,500. If we did happen to push up, I do not think that's going to happen just because markets are dropping. We'll cover that in just a minute. I think the highest point we would go if we did get one hell of a pump would be around 18,200. This is going to be very strong resistance. By the way, I updated this chart with a new fib channel. You can see that when I added this fib channel, this was almost to the tick. So this is the line to watch. If we start moving sideways and down, this is the point to watch to get rejected. So again, if we push up, that'd be 18,200. Current resistance is 17,700. Next point to put along, 17,000. And if we drop below that, 16,400, 16,500. These are for smaller targets, guys. So your next support level, we got a moving average here as well. This would be around 17,235. Oh, not the right green color, hold on. And if we drop below that, around 16,831. So this is more for scalping, guys. If we do push up, your resistance to watch right now, 17,600. So it looks like 17,600, 17,700 ideal point to put in a short. This is the ring I've been talking about, guys. I do think that this is going to play out. As I said, this was a previous pattern we were in. Support, resistance, support, resistance, support. We crossed a ring, we dropped. You can see we're in a similar pattern, and we just crossed this ring. Support, resistance, resistance, support. We just crossed this ring, so at some point we're going to break. Your strongest support to watch right now is 15,300. Once we break that, I think we're headed down to my target I gave you, which is around 9,000 sometime late February. That is the target I'm watching. The Dow Jones, guys, you can see that we're testing critical support right now. I think once we break below 33,150, around that area, it's possible we might come up, test it as resistance. Once we break this support here, which is our previous, you can see this is our resistance, 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 come back down, test the support. So if and when that breaks, that's when I think it's game over for the bulls and we're really coming down. But again, this is a critical support to watch right here at, again, for the Dow Jones, 33,128. Once we get below that, if we break 32,800, again, that means we're going to have one hell of a leg down for the Dow. That means the NASDAQ, S&P will be coming down as well. And so we're currently down 823 points for the Dow. So again, markets are down. That means Bitcoin's coming down as well. And I assume the DXY is pushing up. Again, guys, if you want to access Bitget, the link's pinned down in the first comment description. If you want to access Discord and these live charts, website's opticalcrypto.com. Link's pinned in the first comment description. That's it, guys. Trade safe, trade smart. I'm out.